chart. This was our trade. This is where we are now. That's right, crew members. If you are new to today's video, welcome to the Positive Life Express. You've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title. Today we are looking at Bitcoin. Where are we now? Are we long? Are we short? Well, we're going to talk about it. We're going to discuss it. We're going to look at the chart. We're going to see what I came up with a few days ago. That pretty much was about 4 or 5 days ago when I decided to go into a Bitcoin trade. And now we're going to see where we are. So if you're liking Bitcoin, like, subscribe, comment, do all that great stuff to the video for me. Let's hop right in. All right, so we're on my BINGX account, and we are on the spot trading. Now, as you've seen, this was August the 12th, so technically about 4 days ago, and we did get the trade buy, but crew members and passengers, we did get hit by this trend that I did draw out. And if we check it on the 1 hour, we would see that we pretty much hit it exactly on the marker, and we sold off, came back, and we didn't even, I don't even think we even hung out on this support that really held us very good, where we bounced off and we got a nice little rally, but we sold off right under it, and then we came back, retested, and then we spilled over. Now, if you did check out that short, it will be up in the cards. I did say this would be the next zone. As you can see, we have it laid out, crew members. So what is the next move? Am I long? Am I short? Well, crew members, that was a, if you did take profit when I did highlight that Bitcoin was moving, and if you didn't have the trade, again, once you're in profit, D-Life always will, either set a trailing stop or take that profit. And that was about from this point here. If you did get in right here, because like I said, they did try to stop me out, but I would have gotten stop out today, pretty much like yesterday or today. The stop would have got hit. But the move, if you got it on the support, was at about, yeah, almost a 1% profit, 0.71%. So not bad at all. That's still a great move for like about almost, 12 hours. You make that in half a day, so still not bad at all. But as you can see now, this move is, wow, yeah, almost 2% from the support. Now, D-Life, what do we do next? All right, well, let's get rid of that. So like I said, we were going to go into this next zone, and I would say a potential buy again. So if we are on a downtrend, crew members and passengers, we did break that 29 level. We've been hanging out at 29,000 for technically, wow, almost since July. We've been around the 29,000 range, and now we're back at it. We tested it. So crew members, what I'm doing now on the daily is I'm watching now. I'm watching. I'm not gonna make any decisions yet because we still have a very, very strong zone right here. I'm gonna move this down a little bit more, this support, and originally this was my support right here. I'll keep it there because that's the original support. And I'm gonna see now if we're gonna probably have some type of, retest. Now, what I would do to decide on that is check out my RSI, check out my MACD. And we're going to go to the 4 hour, see where we are, go to the daily on the MACD and the RSI and see where we are. We did have a buy signal at that day on the 12th, and now I'm going to see how the indicators are acting right now with this new price action. So right now, let's jump on over to the 4 hour. And today's video, of course, is only education and entertainment purpose only, not financial advice. Make sure use only risk capital when you're trading, and trading, of course, we do know is risky, so only put what you can afford to lose. We got that sell signal, and on the let's go over here. Let's zoom in a little bit. We still haven't. Well, we're kind of in that oversold range right now on the 4 hour. If we move over, we'll see that. Oh no. Let me zoom back in. There we go. Zoom back in again. So there we are. We're at that 40. We're pretty much we're below that 40 crew members. I want to zoom in over here. There we are. So again, not super risky, but if you do get into this, and I would get him, let's just say, if I don't want to wait, then of course this would definitely be an opportunity on another close to see if we come down here. If we come down here, then on another 4 hour candle, then I would consider putting in a buy and then looking for the next zone. So let's just zoom out of here and see where our next zone would be and take that trade. So that next zone is going to be right about around here. So that's going to be our next zone. So let's mark that. So that's around these highs where we peaked, right around here. That's going to be our next zone of support. And I do think that we're going to have some strong support there. So that level is at around 28.7. So that's where I'll be looking. If we do break this support here, then I'll think I definitely will enter a long and then come back to get it back into this area right around here. So let's just mark it out right now. If we get there, I do think there will be a retest if this is going bearish, and there will probably spill back over right around here, and that'll be a 1.1% move back at the 29,100 area. So members, again, not a lot, but risk to reward, very good. Just put maybe like a 0.5% in your stop loss. That's what D-Life would do. And yeah, so see how it plays out. Like I said, I'm getting back into trading, getting back into looking at the charts. This is just a little bit of icing on the cake to the DeFi and the crypto. I just want to get myself back into the markets, and definitely the most challenge for D-Life is going to be getting back into Forex. So stay tuned for Forex. That is where I first got pretty much where I first learned about crypto, Forex. It's what got me here. YouTube. It's what got me here. Forex. So going back to the king, and I'm gonna have to roll up my sleeves and get back in the market there. So crew members, right now I got a question mark, not a question mark. I'm waiting patiently for the next close on the daily candle or on the 4 hour. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. I think that will be closed probably in another 30 minutes. And then a long position, come back to retest this area around here. Like I said, the 21, the 29, 100 areas, or maybe even possible back to the 29 for if we're going to be creating lower highs and higher lows. Right now, we don't have any of those priced in. Pretty much we're still in this range, all this right here. So that's one touch, two touch, three touches. Of course, fourth touch, we do know it should be a break or we should go up. So on the fourth touch, I could consider waiting or moving early, get the bounce, the retest, take the profit, then wait for the fourth touch and go long or short. So all about sending signals, all about looking at the zones and just being patient. So right now the key is just patience, waiting to see what Bitcoin, the market, is going to do. checking out the news, see if there's any news like, that should move anything. I thought that Coinbase move would have been nice today, but that was not enough. So that's my little TA on Bitcoin right now. Long, short, waiting is the answer. In between, waiting for the next close. Coming a little closer to that support, then go long. Put a nice tight stop right below the support. Go back for the bounce, hopefully, and then retest and take that profit. So that is my idea. Let me know your trade ideas. Let me know what you are doing. If you're trading right now, Bitcoin, any cryptocurrency, make sure to leave it in the comments. And if you need me to check out any other tokens, well, let's look at them. Let's discuss it over here on the channel. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Let's get to 500 subscribers. This is D Life with Bitcoin right now. Over and out.